Jackson has 9 lives, I swear. I really thought that Zwelethwa was ending him on this scene, but then it didn't happen, and I want us to talk about that more here on this video. But before going to the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Martha saves Jackson from Zwelethwa once again, and at this point, I swear, Martha is really an angel in Jackson's life. You remember that she is saving Jackson from death for the second time now. The first time was when Thandiswa locked him in the basement and burnt down the house. If it wasn't for Martha, Jackson would have burnt with that house back then and died right on the spot. She saved him once again recently from Zwelethwa. So Zwelethwa and Jackson have been playing this game of trying to kill each other. Jackson even sent his hitmen to go and kill both Thandiswa and Zwelethwa, but they managed to escape, and now they planned on killing Jackson. So since then, they've been hunting down Jackson, and finally they found him. But as I've expected, nothing happened to him. And I really hate these plots that end nowhere, because you can't tell me that we watched the whole plot for 4 weeks only for it to end with nothing. So all that effort Zwelethwa pulled, he pulled it for nothing. I also don't understand, why was Jackson not fighting back? I mean, he just stood there and watched Zwelethwa beating him. Are you guys telling me that he went to hiding without even one gun? I really don't get what the directors and the producers were trying to do here, but then I am probably the one who's always complaining. You guys probably enjoy this more than I do. So comment in the comment section, share thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And with all that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.